Time is 6:50 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. It is June 26, 2026. We're at Ridge Hill Apartments in Aurora, Colorado, USA. And right now I'm just taking some video of this landscaping material. This is landscaping wood. They're replacing all the landscaping wood. And I did some research. And let me get the address right here. That's 14281 East Kentucky Place, Building 18. Let's see, boom. And so I did some research, and I got a quote from a local company here in Aurora, Colorado. I found out each of these, I call them bundles. So like each of these, see each of these straps right here, how they're strapped. So it's approximately 28 pieces, so 7 across and 4 up. I called the manufacturer and talked to a local supplier here in town, and they believe that they are supplying the contractor here at Ridge Hill Apartments. But the quote was for the material, it was just a little over $1,000 for what they call a unit, but I call it a bundle because see how they're bundled up, they're strapped together. So all the wood that's strapped is around $1,000. I'm gonna put the exact quote in the link, because it was like $1,026.56. So I'm gonna put that. So each of this, so you have 4 bundles or 4 groups of wood strapped together right here. I believe they just went through another one because they did replace the wood down there. But each of these is around $1,000. So let me get you a. Okay, so you can screenshot that and count estimate how many pieces of wood are there. But as you can see, it's so you're talking about. So this right here you're looking at is estimated cost is around $1,000. I mean not $1,000. All this together is $5,000. $5,000. Okay. So as you can see, this is the all-weather wood is the brand. All-weather wood is the brand, and they don't sell directly to consumers. They sell through distributors, and they sell to the public or contractors. So you can see right here how much this is. The size of the wood is 6 by 6 by 8 feet. Now I'm gonna measure that right now in camera, so they don't think. So that is. We got 6 inches. I'm gonna flip the wood over by 6 inches, and the length of the wood, and I'll get the length of the wood. So Ridge Hill Apartments is spending, definitely well over $5,000. I'm estimating it to be $15,000 to $20,000 because they're replacing all the wood in the whole apartment complex. So as you can see the length, let me zoom in on here, sorry. So that's a little over 8 feet. So you got a 6 by 6 by 8 feet. Well, I know somebody's going to be height, width, length. I don't know. But anyways, you get the gist. So that way you can do the research yourself. This is not it's a little over 8 feet, 8 and 8 feet 1 inches. Okay, for those of you who are, engineers over here. So they're replacing all the wood because the dirt is raised here. So they're replacing all of that. So instead of fixing the stairs, instead of fixing the stairs, they want to the structural issues. They want to repair the landscaping. Which, let me see, what's more of a urgent matter is unsafe stairs in the apartment complex or the landscaping. Well, basically they want to get it. My belief is they want to get it picture ready. They could take nice pictures from the exterior, but when it comes to the interior and the stairwells, they're not going to take pictures of it. So here's an example of rusted stairs. This is rusted stairs right here. Somebody's yelling over there. So yeah, this is Ridge Hill Apartments right here. Aurora, Colorado, USA.